fine. This is the 5th try now with this gentleman behind the camera, but this time gonna be fine. Welcome to our new episode of Adventure with me. So we are in a new place. It's beautiful. He said just do it short talks and everything. Probably I should say bye for now. Enjoy the show. Thank you guys. Bye for now. So hello friends, today we decided to come for a small grilling with the friends. We have 4 people. We have a liver, we have lamb chop, we have chicken wings and meatballs and chicken, yes. So these are all like we're gonna eat today. We're 4 people, so we have it 1 each, so as you see. But anyway, today just we want to come out and really the beautiful nature and everything. So please enjoy watching. Thanks for now. Everyone, now we are starving, and my friend over here, Yilmaz, doing this aubergine salad with grilled aubergine and paprika and green pepper and everything. The stuffs are cooking over there. Mr. Vedat helping us. Hey, Vedat, say hello. Hi. So we're gonna have a good time, guys. And sorry you cannot be here, but we're gonna enjoy it, and we hope that you're gonna enjoy watching this. I want to have a bread to be like having taste of this grill, the smoke and everything. So guys, you see this? This is amazing. Look at this. I wish you are here. Some of you at least, not all of you guys, not all of you, but the smell is beautiful. Wow, look at this. Wow, nice. And then of course starving now, guys, starving. But food is soon there. Almost we are done. Hi guys, you see, now the food is ready. Sorry, but I ordered to take a couple of bites. This is beautiful done. Look at this. Beautiful done. Salad, food and everything. Beautiful view and all. Thanks for watching. I hope you're gonna enjoy as much as we did. Bye for now.